Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to sync your GoodX Web Diary with your Google Calendar. Start by clicking on the Settings button in the top right corner. From there, click on the Diary Settings tab. In this tab, click on the Diary Settings panel to expand it. Now you can scroll down to the Sync this diary with other calendars option. In the field will be your GoodX Web Diary URL. Click on the Copy button next to it to copy the URL. Now, open your Google Calendar or any other external calendar. Under the Other Calendars option, click on the plus button. From the drop-down menu, click on the From URL option. The settings screen will then open. Paste the URL in the URL of Calendar field. This is the URL that you copied in the GoodX Web Diary settings. Click on the Add Calendar button. The external calendar will now be synced with your Google Calendar and all bookings will be visible on your external calendar.